Hi everyone, this is Bramesh, and in this video we'll discuss about some important astrological phenomena which are happening and can it lead to some big moves into the market. So let's start off. So this is the astro sheet. As of now, there are two important things which are happening. So first is Mercury is square with Jupiter in Helio. Now Jupiter impacts banks. Mercury has good impact on telecommunication and brokerage stocks, and it has a very good impact on Nifty also because of Reliance. So this is a very important phenomenon. And the next important phenomenon is this Venus conjunct Uranus in Helio. Now Uranus is known as the stock market planet. It impacts a lot on stock market. Anything which happens with Uranus will have a major impact, and these leads to some big turning points into the market, and these leads to some top and bottom formation. And then we have these two lunar cycles coming together, which is full moon and moon distance to the earth is minimum. So let's quickly see all these three things. So first is in this I've set Mercury is square with Jupiter in Helio. Helio means we are looking from the sun side. So basically there are two sides. One is geocentric and one is heliocentric. So we are looking from the sun side. And if you can see here, it generally leads to a top formation, like this was the top of the market. It was a top. After that, the market just generally falls. So either you see a top formation or a bottom formation. Like this was a top, it never closed above it, and from there a good fall came in. Again, kind of top here, this was a perfect bottom. So this is a very good, important aspect to find tops and bottoms, which happened today. So probably if today's low is breached, we can see a big fall on downside. If high is breached, then a big up move on upside. Probably it will again reach to this level of 16. The Friday, Monday's high of 16, around 16,300. So this is one thing. Apart from that, let's move to the next phenomenon, which is this one, which is Venus and Uranus in conjunction, that too in helium. Now it is happening tomorrow, and before that it happened here, which was a perfect bottom, like on 20th November 2021. And before that, this happens like once in a year. This was also a perfect bottom. So this is also very important. So two important aspects, one involving Uranus, one involving Mercury. So very important aspects, and trade plan is very clear. Like if it breaks today's high, go long. If it breaks today's low, go short. Now this is a phenomenon which is a very important feature of this software. Its distance to the earth is minimum and full moon. Whenever these two aspects comes together, it leads to some really good moves into the market. Like the distance is like 1 or 2 days apart only. So the last time it happened here on 16 June, you can see it's such a big fall. I think the Nifty fell down 500 points. I have one Excel sheet also. Yes, here it is. So you can see here, whenever see 14 June had happened, 14, 15, 16 big fall. Then again these two came together around 16th. Whenever the difference is same day or within 1 or 2 days, a major move comes into the market. Like if you see on 16th, after 16th May, we had some big rally into market. Let's quickly go and check here. This is 20th May. Yeah, this was 16th May. On this day, Nifty was up almost 300, 400 points the very same day. So this is also happening tomorrow. So very important. These three important astro aspects are coming tomorrow. So I expect big move in market either today or tomorrow. What are the levels I'm watching out for? Let me quickly show you this. So basically for Nifty, above, if you are bullish, best is to go bullish above 16,157 for 221, 284, and 347. And if you have a bearish bias, best is to go short below 16031 for a target of 5968 and 904. Now, one important thing for Nifty is, 988 to 16,000 is a 50% retracement of this move. So this is a very important level. I mean, and 16,000 P is having highest open interest. So if tomorrow, if it is not able to be 16,000, then probably we are seeing an expiry all the way above 16,000 only. And similarly for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, we will go to the level sheet. So if you are, I mean, if today's bottom is not breached, then on about 33, 351, we can see a move towards 35, 35, 351, a move towards 35, 538, 725, and 912. And if today's low gets broken, So probably best is to go short below 34,977 for a move towards 789 and 34,600. So very simple, very short and sweet video. First, I have described all the important aspects which are forming. Let's see tomorrow if we see if today's low is not breached and the high gets breached, then probably we can see some very nice moves into the market. So that's about it. Thank you very much. Stay disciplined.